Ever wondered who's behind the scenes of one of the most innovative digital banking platforms today? Let's dive into the fascinating story of Relay Bank, a company changing how small businesses manage their finances. Relay, formerly known as Relay Financial, isn't your average bank. It's a financial technology company, or fintech, that partners with banks to provide its services. This means they don't hold your money directly. Instead, they work with established, FDIC-insured banks to ensure your funds are safe while they provide the cutting-edge tools and software. Shield. The company was founded by Paul Grassi and Dylan D'Souza in 2018. Their vision was simple yet powerful: create a banking platform that truly understands the unique needs of small businesses. They saw a gap in the market. Traditional banks often burden small businesses with clunky interfaces, hidden fees, and limited visibility into their cash flow. Relay was built to solve these problems, offering clear, no-fee banking and powerful insights. Light bulb. Now, for the big question: who owns Relay? The ownership of a private company like Relay is held by its founders, employees, and, most importantly, its investors. Relay has successfully raised millions of dollars in funding from a number of top-tier venture capital firms. These firms include Bessemer Venture Partners, Garage Capital, and Durable Capital Partners. These investors don't just provide capital, they also bring expertise and a network to help Relay grow. This model of ownership, a blend of founders, employees, and venture capitalists, is very common in the tech world. It allows companies to scale rapidly, innovate quickly, and challenge established players. So while no single person or entity owns Relay in its entirety, its ownership is a collective effort of those who believe in its mission to simplify banking for small businesses. From its humble beginnings as a small startup to a major player in the fintech space, Relay's journey is a testament to the power of focusing on a specific problem and building a solution that truly helps people. They've built more than just a banking platform, they've built a partner for small businesses everywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.